Hi Asmi,
Hello, sir.
how are you?
Sir, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good too. Thanks for asking that. So Asmi, last 1.5 years of for CAT preparation,
Yes.
disappointments last time. Now
Yes.
FMS, IIM Kozhikode, TES as well as other colleges, Indore too, right? ये journey, the transformation. Talk about your transformation. How it happened, what all you did, क्या क्या challenges face करी, all that. And before that, please introduce yourself a bit.
Okay. So, hello everyone. I am Asmi, and I am commerce graduate from Gargi College. And last year in mid July, I started my CAT preparation from CATway. I enrolled in July in CATway GDPI and full course. And after that, I started preparing. And Suraj sir was my mentor. And like he helped me maintain discipline throughout the mocks also, and like one-to-one analysis was the main part that helped me improve. And this year I converted FMS Delhi. I am Indore, TIS, and I am Kozhikode, and I will be joining FMS Delhi.
Perfect. So, talk about this strategy of yours towards. You see, again, whenever any student starts, he starts with diligent practice towards VARC, DILR as well as quant. So, what were your strategies for VARC, for DILR as well as for quant?
Okay. So for VARC, I used to solve sectionals daily that was uploaded on Catway portal. Like we were given one set daily, which contained four reading comprehensions, and like it was similar to what we have in sectional in CAT. So we have one sectional daily. So for VRC, I practiced that, and other than that, there were classes in which RCs were sold live in live classes. So that was there. And in the end, during the November month, we used to have sessions on Telegram, on which we practiced VRC. So that helped a lot to boost VRC score. And after that, mocks were there. So all these tools helped me improve my VRC score. And for DILR, my strategy was to solve two puzzles daily on daily basis. So like I solved from YouTube videos, and like there are 35 puzzles on Elite's Grid channel and 90 videos on Jodha's channel. So for DILR, I prepared from YouTube, and I used to solve two puzzles daily for that. And I solved 2017 to 2025 previous year puzzles for DILR, and that helped me. And for quants, I used to watch live videos of Catway again, and then we have sectionals. So I solved around 15 sectionals of Catway, and after that, I solved previous year questions of quants and the MOOCs. These were the major things that I followed.
Perfect. So, once results came and your GDPI journey started, right? What worked for you in all these interviews? Because I believe FMS, I am Kozhikode, I am Indore, and TIS were your best calls, right?
Yes, sir.
What do you think? What worked for you in actual interviews?
Okay. Sir, like main thing that helped me was mock session, mock PIs, and like after mock PI, we used to get feedback from mentor on which area I needed to improve. In beginning, I was not performing very great, so in beginning, my focus was on completing all my academics as I am a fresher. So my major focus was academics, and after I am done with academics, still I was facing some problem in interviews as I have done academics, but I was not able to structure how should I answer those academics questions. So after that, from again getting feedback from mentors, I started structuring them in proper way. And yes, Suraj sir helped me to prepare my HR questions for interviews, and other mentors also. Shivam sir was there, Chetan sir was there, and Nusha ma'am was there. They gave me feedback on how can I structure my answers better.
Okay, perfect. So, once the results came, right, and once you got the mail, first Kozhikode, then Indore, FMS, how were the emotions?
Sir, to be honest, I was feeling very relieved because last year I scored very low, like 83 percentile. So I was very demotivated, and I didn't had any motivation that I will be converting a good goal. because it was very low. 83 was very low last year. So after converting all this goal, I was feeling relieved and grateful to Catway community and my parents. So that was the feeling.
So, see, when you join in institute, right, you have some prior expectations to be fulfilled by that institute. Since you already had 83 percentile, you must be having some expectations from Catway once you had joined. So, what were your expectations? How were the culture of Catway from the students' perspective, the exact opinion of yours, the original opinions? How were the culture of Catway in the
Okay.
full course?
Okay. So like main thing was that I was looking for personal attention. Like I am someone who requires to keep discipline and to work in a structured way. So Catway provided me with that structure, and like we used to have one-on-one meet every week to plan the weekly schedule. So that was there, and like I used to share my daily progress report to you. So that was the main thing that helped me maintain consistency and discipline. So
Mhm.
I think that's the main thing, and I that's also the USP of Catway, that the personal attention we get here, we don't get anywhere else. Like live classes are there everywhere, but the main thing that helped was personal attention. That helped me maintain consistency throughout the journey.
Perfect. So many students will be watching your video, right? You are an inspiration for them now from 83 percentile, facing disappointments, joining one college, leaving that college, then again preparing for CAT, and finally going to FMS, right? So many people will be watching your journey. Any success mantra for them?
Yes, sir. The main thing is that don't give up till last. Like many students give up during the November month or October month by like demotivated by their mock scores. So I would suggest, if you don't give up till the last, you can definitely get a good score. Like I was scoring 19, 20 even in the month of September in my mock test. So in November month itself, once I scored negative in quants. So the not giving up by even scoring negative is the main thing. Like not to give up till the end of the exam, till you give the exam. Don't give up on your preparation. That is the main thing.
So now that you have seen the full course culture of Catway and as well as GDPI culture of Catway, if I'll ask you to rate Catway on a scale of 10, what will be your rating?
Sir, if I could give more than 10, that would be my answer, because we get all the help we needed. Like when we asked for interview, we were provided with mentors to take interview. When I asked you to conduct a one-to-one mock analysis, you were there. So everything we asked for, we were given that. So yeah, I have no like regrets of joining this course, and I am very happy.
All right, all the best. All the best, Asmi. I believe in
Thank
your,
you, sir.
confidence as well as the hard work that you give. All the best for future endeavors. I wish you achieve all that what you desire for yourself. Just one last question, Asmi.
Yes, sir.
Being a fresher joining FMS, right? From
Yes.
Gagi to FMS, the part of Delhi University, what next?
Sir, can you repeat?
From Gagi to Delhi University FMS, another Delhi University college. Now, what next?
Sir, after going to college, I want to give my best and learn from my seniors whatever they tell me. Like, for mentors have always played a main role in my life. So, my main motive is to get inspired from them and learn whatever they teach me, learn from the professors there, and excel in my life.
Okay. Okay. All the best.
Thank you, sir.